Hi everyone, this is Tracy at Mitten Flips. If you're interested in any piece from this video, you can email me at kenzie3775@aol.com. It'll be in the description also. And then just put the title of this video or the date that it was posted. And then timestamp and a brief description, and I can get an invoice over to you. Alright, let's get started. We have a silver tone necklace. This is really cute. I would call it a Y drop. It's got these tassels. Very pretty. It is marked. Let's see. It's marked Cel, C-E-L. I don't know if you can see that. But it has a drop of 7.5 inches, and we will do $3 for that. Let's see, we have this brooch. It looks like purple enamel and then just rhinestones on there. It is 2 inches diameter, and we will do $2 for that. Alright, here's a brooch. This one is gold tone. Oh no. Oops. Let me see if it goes in. I think this is bent. Yeah, doesn't seem to want to go in there. It'll just have to be bent to get in there. But gold tone, I don't see any markings on it. Maybe there's a mark on there. No, I don't see anything. Okay, so this one, fairly long. It is 3 1/4 inch long, and we will do $5 for this. We have tie-tack cross. Oh, let me see if it's marked. Oh, it is. It says 1/20th 10K GF, so 10 karat gold filled. Let's see, it's just a cross. It is about 1/2 inch, and we will do $4 for that. All right, we have this pin. Looks like it's Jonathan Gray and Associates, United States Postal Service. So this came out from the Postal Service, this pin with the 25-cent lighthouse. It is 1.5 inches long, and we will do $2 for that. This one is missing stones, but it's really pretty. It's got the cameo and the AB coated stones, but it's missing a stone there and there, so it's missing 2 stones. I don't know if it's missing anything else. One, yeah, just the 2 stones it's missing. Really pretty piece. I don't know if it's marked. I don't see anything, but that's just a quick quick look. Really nice one. This one is 1.5 inches, and we will do $6 for this one. All right, last pin. This one is not marked, and it's just a water fly. I don't even can't think today. Gardening. It's got a heart on there. Silver tone. It is about 1 inch, and we will do $2 for that one. All right, let's do some earrings. There's some silk flower earrings. So we have the clip-on. Oh, clip-on. I've never seen that before. So these are, okay, well, and I can't even get these off, so let's see. There we go. So you can wear them as pierced or clip-on. So we have that. And this piece slides off, I believe. Oh, it's part of the piece itself. Huh, that's interesting. I've never seen that before. So these are about an inch, and we will do $3 for those. All right, next we have these ones, and these are the same. They have the pierced and the clip-on, and they're blue. Very cute. They're about 3/4 of an inch, and we will do $3 on these ones. Let's do a few more. Oops, one got stuck on me. All right, these ones, where do these go? I think they're just gold twist little hoop things, clip on. They have a drop of 1.5 inch. I don't know if there's any marks on them. I don't see anything. So we'll do $2 for these ones. All right, these ones are nice. I don't see any marks on these ones. So they're gold tone hoops with a rhinestone. They're cute. They have a drop of, well, they're about, yeah, a drop of 3/4 inch, and we will do $3 for those. All right, these ones are fancy. So these are acrylic blue, and then they have like a light blue and a dark blue color going around them. Very pretty. They have a drop of 1.5 inches, and we will do $3 for those. All right, there are some rings. Oh, that's odd. That looks like a different color. It is a different color. Oh, no, it's not. It's just something must be underneath it or something. That one looks darker, but it's the same color. So see if it's marked. It is adjustable. So that comes out. Let's see if it's marked. I don't see any markings on it. It's sitting at a size 7. That should have fit this finger then. Yeah, just tight. All right, let's see if I can get it off. All right, so on this one we will do $4. All right, put that there. All right, we have this ring with a little stone in the middle there, and then silver tone with like creases to make it maybe look bigger. Let's see if it's marked. No marks. So it's a gold tone band. It's cute. All right. So this one is a size, I would say a size 6, but it's kind of 5.75 between that and 6. So on this one, we will do $3. All right. I did look that symbol up and then I forgot what it was. I'm not really sure which way it goes. This way or this way. Might be this way. All right, so let me see. No marks on that one. And it is a 5.5. We will do $2 for this one. All right, this one's pretty. Let's see. I don't see any marks on it. It's gold tone with rhinestones and a faux pearl that sits at top. Okay, my fingers. That one's pretty. All right, this one is a size 7. That should fit my finger. All right. Okay, so on this one we will do $6. Let's put that back in the bag. All right. Ooh, this one's pretty with the abalone. You can see how shiny that is. That's pretty. Adjustable. Vintage ring. I think it might be Avon. It's got like one of those dots with like the circle. Might be Avon. That one's pretty. It really shines in the light. All right, so this one is sitting at a size 8, but can be adjusted. All right, so on this one we will do $6. This one's pretty. This one's big. That one's really pretty. It's got a faux amethyst, probably glass. That one's really pretty. So gold tone, it looks brand new. Those are really pretty. All right, let me see if there is any marks. There is a mark, but I am, oh, here's more. Made in China. And it has another mark. An S. Whatever S stands for is right there. And then it says made in China right there. But it's very shiny. I think it's brand new. All right, so this one is a size 7.25. Gorgeous. All right, so on this one we will do $6. Put that back in the bag. All right, let's do some bracelets. I don't know what these are, but they always come up in these. So I'm going to sell these two together. They're like rope beaded bracelets. So they are approximately, let's see, 8 inches total length. And we will do $2 for the two. All right. That there. We have these bangles with rhinestones. It looks like kind of like brown or amber and then clear alternating. These are pretty. Let's see if there's any marks. I don't see any marks. They are about 2 3/4 inch diameter, and we will do $2 for the two. We have this rope bracelet. Let's see if I can do this right. So, and then it just buttons to your desire. total length is 14, 14 and a half, and 15. So on this one we will do $2. All right, we have this set of green ones. This one's a religious one. It's got a cross and that pendant. Acrylic beads. The stretch is okay. So for this, we will do $2 for the two. All right, I put these four together. The black, these two are matching. Clear, and then they're all like plastic acrylic. This one's pretty. The speckled. This one's got an alp, flower, an Italian horn, another flower, a bow. Okay, so for all four of these, we will do $3. Good stretch on them. All right. So, you know what? I'm just going to do all these bracelets that I have sitting here. Oh, here's a watch. All right, so this one says Geneva Platinum. There. Oh, I thought it was stretch. All right, so let me give you a total length on this. It is, it's about 7 inches total length. All right. It's pretty. On this one, we will do $3. All right. We have these gold tone bangles. They just have slits, but it's very shiny. They have diameter of 2 3/4 of an inch, and we will do $1 for these. We have, these are pretty beads, red ones on a cord. Let's see, total length is about 7 inches. I don't see any markings on it. It's got a 2-inch extender. So on this one, we will do $2. All right, one more bracelet. This is very plasticky and it's kind of stretched out. You can see. So we're just going to do $1 on this one. You can use these to craft with or something. All right. There is actually this. This actually looks like onyx, and then it has like an anchor picture. Let's see. I don't know why there's a kink. Oh no, it's gone. Okay. I think that is a 925. Yeah, it says Italy 925. I'll just make sure. All right. Let's see if I can get a good scratch. That's good enough. Okay, yep. That one is silver. Okay, so it's a nice one. Pretty sure that's onyx. It's really smooth too. All right, so this one has a drop of 8 inches, and we will do $7 on this. Okay, this one is just a resin necklace. There we go. That design on a cord. It's a kind of a rubbery cord. Has a drop of 8.5 inches, and we will do $2 for that. We have a wooden necklace, green. It's got a drop of 7.5 inches with a 2-inch extender, and we will do $2 for this one. This is some Amish thing. I bet that said like made in China or Taiwan or something. It was a sticker. But and maybe it wasn't a necklace. I don't know. But these are the charms on it, and they're wooden beads, and then it's just tied up there. So this has a drop of 15 inches, and we will do $3 for that. All right, we have this red. It's got these little plastic discs on it and red acrylic beads. Festive. This one, no mark. It has a drop of 9 inches with a 2.5-inch extender, and we will do $3 for that. All right. This looks like turquoise. This looks like kind of like the necklace I had before. These are pretty pieces. Those are really pretty. Let's see. It's not picking up. Let's kind of do a couple pieces and see if it's silver. I don't think so. Let's see. Oh, it is silver. Oh, wow. That's very much silver. All right. That's a nice one. All right. So, actually, those are real pearls on there, too. Huh. Yeah, that's a really pretty one. Oh, that's really nice. On a silver chain. I wonder if it's got a mark. All right. I don't see any marks on it. Maybe it's homemade. All right. So the total length on this one is 21 inches, and we are going to do $20 for this one. Really nice. Okay. All right, so next we have this acrylic white necklace. It's got a drop of 7.5 inches. And we will do $3 for this one. I like this one. It's so colorful. So it looks like on the back. And then it's got a rainbow prism looking. That one's really cool. It's like those things you used to hang up in your car. Minus the back part because it would be completely clear. That's really pretty. All right, so I don't see any markings on this. It has a drop of 11.5 inches. The prism itself is about 1.5 inches. And we will do $5 for this one. There's a lot of nice pieces in here. All right, this is marked. This one says CEL. Also. Can't even talk. I can't remember which one also said that. Can't remember. But it's just a gold chain. So if you have a pendant or something that you need a necklace for, this is 8.5 inches, and we would do $1 for that. All right, next we have, it says made in the Philippines. It's just wooden, and it's got design at the bottom. It's on a cord, a navy blue cord. So this has a drop of 12 inches, and we will do $2 for that. Do some earrings. All right. So I don't know if there's any West Virginia fans of the football team, but there's a couple pairs of earrings. So you got just the stud ones with the blue enamel. They're about 1/2 inch, and we will do $3. And then we have the dangle ones. Oops. So cute. They have a drop of 1 inch, and we will do $3 for those ones. All right. Next we have these something catcher. I don't know why that escapes me every single time. With the feather. They have a drop of 2 1/4 inch, and we will do $3 for those. All right. What is this one doing over here? Oh, I think, sorry, I'm gonna, because this one was over there. I think this was, or is, which way does it go? This way? I think this is an anklet. And it, I'm not going to be able to show it right, but I think it sits like this around your ankle somehow. I don't know. It's pretty. Let's see. Let me get the length of the small piece. Oh, there is an extension on here too. All right, so, okay, so that's how it is. And I just caught onto a earring. All right, so the total length is about 9 1/4 inch. Yeah, that's an anklet, right? And a 2-inch extender, and we will do $3 for that. It's pretty. Okay, next we have these silver tone. This one's a little tarnished, this one. I don't know why it's not as shiny as this one. So we're just going to do $1 on this. They have a drop of about 2 1/4 inch. All right, these ones are pretty. So they kind of fall off the side. Long earrings with like baguettes and rhinestones. They're really pretty. They look brand new. Doesn't look like they were worn. All right, so these have a drop of 4 1/2 inches. They're really long, but really pretty. Okay, so on these ones, we will do $4. All right, let's get these. There's 4 pairs of earrings left. Oh, these are cute. Oh, this one's bent a little, but oh, they're both bent a little. All right, so they're Minnie Mouse. How cute. With the pink rhinestones. Those are adorable. They are marked. It's probably marked Disney. Yeah, they're marked Disney. So on these ones, we will do $3. They are just over 1/4 of an inch. Cute. And they don't have backings on them, so you'll need backings for those. All right, let me just get these out. Okay, so we have, I have no idea where that just went, but yeah, okay, so those are maybe next time. All right, so we have these metal starbursts. These are cool. Post earrings. That's weird. It's got 2 posts on them. That's weird. Okay. So no markings on those. Those are really cool though. They're about 1/2 inch, and we will do $3 for those. All right. Oh, okay. All right, so we have these glass ones. Those are cool. Huh. Trying to see what that top is. Oh, okay, so it's just like a green, like, bead in there. Those are cool. All right, so these have a drop of 1 1/4 inch, and we will do $4 on these. Okay. All right, and next, all right, we have this clear with a white swirl, and then we have clear beads and white beads. These are pretty. Just acrylic. Really pretty though. And silver tone beads. This has a drop of 8 inches with a 2.5 inch extender, and we will do $3 for this. All right. Next, this is a natural stone. I don't know what it is though. Green stone. Gold tone chain. No marks on it, but it's really pretty. The stone is about 3/4 inch, and it has a drop of 9 inches, and we will do $5 for that. Okay. I like these. It's like snake chains or whatever. All right. I don't see any marks, but it gives me like Avon vibes. I don't know why. It's really slinky too. It's really nice. So it's got a clear lucite, and God, this feels so smooth. So this has a drop of 8 inches, and we will do $4 for this. There's a lot of pieces left. Okay, so I think this one's marked. Yeah, it's marked Korea. So it's a double chain. Let's see, just a standard chain, and then the other one has this design on it. It's pretty elegant. So it has a drop of 11 inches, and we will do $3 for that. These feel, yeah, these are glass. So amber glass beads. Don't see any markings on it. Has a drop of 7 1/4 inch with a 2-inch extender, and we will do $3 for that. All right. Oh, there's a really pretty set over here in a gold box. All right, let's set that there. All right, so we have this gunmetal cross. Is that missing a stone? I think it's missing a stone. Yes, it's missing a black stone right there. Oh, that's too bad, because that one's really pretty. Let's see if it's marked. No marks on this. So the cross itself is 1 3/4 inch. It's got a drop of 8 1/2 inches with a 2 1/2 inch extender, and we will do $3 on this one, but you'll have to put a new stone there. All right, we have this cross necklace with rhinestones, gold tone. I don't know if it's marked. I don't see any marks there. Ooh. What is going on? Oh, it's magnetic. That's cool. I don't see any marks on it. That's cool. Oh, I think somebody put that magnetic piece on there, because this is, that's an attachment. I'll leave that on there though. So this has a drop of 9 1/2 inches with a 3-inch extender. The cross is about just over an inch. Very pretty. And we will do $5 for this one. Okay. This one is Avon. I'm just familiar with it. Let's see if it's marked. It's knotted. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's knotted. Hold on. Oh boy. Let's see if I take this off. I'm going to pause this. Okay, I got it. It is marked Avon. And it's got these little stations. Alright, so this has a drop of 13 inches, and we will do $3 for this. Alright, so this piece, well, let me get it ready for you. Okay, I got it. So it's a necklace, a bracelet. It kind of gets twisted, and then and I had to hit it. Does that, so you have to get them all straightened back out, but it's really nice. I didn't see any markings on it, but I didn't really look at it too closely either. But there's a bracelet, there's a necklace, and then there's matching earrings. I didn't see anything. No, it looks like a nice set though. It was in this box. But let's put this, let's kind of give you an idea. This has a drop of about 8 inches for the necklace. The bracelet is about 7 inches long. And the earrings have a drop of about an inch. So on this entire set, we'll do $8. Okay, so all right, so let's see what else we have here. I don't know what that extra piece is for. This is just a chain, like a double, I don't know what they call that, double something. And it kind of graduates big to small. I did have it sitting nice. I don't know why it decided to get all funky, but let's see. I think you get the idea. Alright, so this one has a drop of about 8 inches. It's got a shepherd's hook, and we will do $3 for that. Alright, there's a couple beaded necklaces. This looks like Avon. Pretty sure it is. So this with the white, oh, it's a little dirty. This has a drop of 11 inches. And it's got a screw closure. And we will do $3 for that. We have a red acrylic, not marked. This has a drop of 14.5 inches, and we will do $3 for that. Alright, and the last piece, I don't know what that mark is. It's black beads. It's a cute chain though, gold tone, and then black seed bead type things, so double chain. It has a drop of 7.5 inches with a 3-inch extender, and we will do $3 for that. Okay, so if you made it to the end, thank you for watching, and if you could hit the subscribe button, that helps out my channel, and we will see you on the next one.